In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently gather and analyze TikTok data for your next research or marketing project. This process involves inputting TikTok URLs, extracting metadata and engagement statistics, and summarizing the results. So, whether you're a social media strategist or a curious analyst, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's begin by understanding why you would need to input TikTok URLs in the first place. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything else you'll be doing. TikTok, with its vast range of content, holds valuable insights into current trends, audience engagement, and even the virality of specific topics. For effective analysis, you need the URLs of the TikToks that are relevant to your study. Make sure to collect these URLs carefully, verifying them for accuracy and ensuring they pertain to your specific focus area. Once you have your URLs collected, it's time to dive into extracting metadata and engagement statistics. Metadata includes essential details about each video, such as the creator's information, the date of uploading, video descriptions, hashtags used, and much more. These elements can often provide context that numbers alone can't. Alongside metadata, engagement statistics, which cover metrics like views, likes, shares, and comments, offer a quantitative dimension to your analysis, revealing how well the content resonates with audiences. It's vital to use reliable tools or scripts to automatically fetch this data, reducing the risk of human error and saving you time. Moving on to our final part, summarizing the results. This is where things get really interesting. After extracting all the necessary information, you'll want to compile it into a format that is easy to interpret. The goal here is to transform your raw data into insightful summaries and visualizations wherever possible. Whether you're aiming to identify trends, compare engagement across different videos, or detect patterns over time, summarizing your collected data effectively can offer a wealth of understanding. You might consider using spreadsheets or data visualization tools to organize and present your findings in a clear and meaningful way. It's worth noting that following this process not only provides deeper insights into TikTok's landscape, but also enhances your capability to spot emerging opportunities or shifts in digital behavior. Remember, the more organized and clear your summaries are, the more actionable your insights will be. To wrap it up, gathering and analyzing TikTok data can unlock a treasure trove of insights that can drive smarter strategies and decisions. With careful URL collection, precise data extraction, and thoughtful summarization, you can transform scattered TikTok trends into powerful narratives that inform and inspire. Whether it's for business, research, or creative exploration, understanding and utilizing this data can give you an edge. Stick around for more tips and techniques in our next session, where we'll dive deeper into the world of social media analytics.